Yo, what's up teammates? It's your boy Mehul Mez here, back on another video. And well, in today's video we actually have something pretty cool. We are unboxing Airpods. That's right. They're not normal Airpods. And here's a manual, and I am guessing this is our charger. So this is our full setup. Right there. That's all we've got. Now, just looking at the box right there, you guys might be wondering, they're not real AirPods. They don't look like real AirPods. Well, you're absolutely right. They're not real AirPods. They're actually fake AirPods, and yeah, it came like this. So it actually did come like this, if you guys don't know. And this is the AirPods box, and I am going to start reading the manual. I'm going to put that there and then read the manual. It's Chinese. Oh, okay, it's finally not Chinese. Hey, the backside is English. Alright, let me read this. Right. Screw the manual. I'll read it later. Let me show you these AirPods now. They are AirPods that I've ordered. Oh my god. Yo, these are sick, man. They look a bit too big to actually fit in my ear. I don't know, let's try it. No. That's how I will look. Oh. They will fall off the clips in. Yeah, so as you guys know, like, there's these things on the internet that you guys can get, like, I think it's a grip to actually get in your ear. So I'll probably be needing to get that, because these don't get in my ear that well. If I show you in close up, like that. I don't know what this button is for. And then this is sick. Absolutely sick. No, I'm gonna try to get this back into the box. I think this is the opposite side, yeah it is. Okay, I think that's one fitting, yep. Don't know. This should be the other one. I think the total failure of this is, I press that, and 1 minute later, they're actually gone. Now, I'm going to put these in my ears and do a sound test on this. After reading the manual. It's Chinese manual. Chinese manual. To read the manual. I'll see you guys, and then we can get a sound test on these. So I was actually reading the manual. Like, I'm halfway through the chart. Right here. And on them, I actually noticed something really, like, it's a down thing of this, so it's not, like, good. Like, I mean, they're good, but, like, I haven't tried them out, so I can't say anything, but, so with charging it and everything like that, it will only last 100 hours. So, like, screw what I just said, actually, screw what I just said. So, when you go on Wish, I bought this from Wish. If you guys don't know, I could have told you. I don't know what I said, but when you get these, you have an option to get like a single or to get them two, and I obviously got the 2 one. So yeah, and it says like the total time it will work or with charging is 60 hours. Only one of them. No, what am I saying? It'll work 100 hours with one of them. So like you can charge it as much as you like. Go off with charging, and after 100 hours it will completely die and you cannot use them at all, even if you charge them. But that's only one. If I have 2, it's only 60 hours. 60 hours. So that's not that great. And I'm going to carry on reading the rest of the manual about pair. Okay, I've read half the manual, or should I just say 1 page of the manual? And that's not half the manual, but who cares? I read 1 page of the manual, and now I know how to connect it to my phone. So I don't know if I'm using Airpods right now with talking, because I've already connected it. And actually, my Airpods have been connected, and I actually haven't got to use them. I put them in my ear again, so like it won't fit in my ear. That's the annoying thing. Because I actually got this from Wish, and Wish don't really tell you. So people usually put Airpods like this, and most in standby mode, which is like when you're not listening to anything. I look a bit weird in this, like, you know, but I actually look a bit weird in this, and yo, I actually look weird. Man. No. So this is actually did tell me what onesies were. This is, so like you can get so from Wish you can get like different types of fake AirPods. You can get ITS 12 or whatever they're called. Yeah, someone was there. Anyways, this is actually the TWS17, guys. So like, I think we should go ahead and get a test to this. So I don't know actually how to charge this or whatever, but I have to read the rest of the manual to see that, because I've only seen how to connect it. And I'm going to pop these in. Oh, okay, before we didn't have the like red light there. But now I we have a red light because they're connected, I'm supposed to be guessing. They're actually pretty light. I can hold that with my thumb. No, not because it won't balance on my thumb. Yep, I can hold it on one finger. I can hold it on 2 because it'll balance on 2. But yeah, I can actually hold it on 1 if it balances. So then I'm gonna break this. I think I charge it, like plug it in like there. Okay, maybe I gave me the wrong plug as well. No, they didn't. So, and then I'm supposed to connect this. So let's check it out actually. If it's supposed to be in some extra light or something while it's charging. Charger is there, and let's go and get it. So we've got our AirPods connected. Plug it in there. Alright, we get this light that it's actually charging. So that's pretty sick. Let's take it off charging now. We've got it off charging. So now we know that there's a special light when it's charging. But without further ado, I think the sound test time. Alright, we're on the room where I've done most of my reaction videos and also my Charlie one, which you guys can go check out on my channel. Oh, it's time to plug. Alright, so it's time. Put them in my ear. But the thing I hate about this is actually it's my homework. Guys don't know we have homework from school for the Easter holiday, so but like I look so weird. Like, you know, no, like I don't know how to describe it. I look weird with these on. Like that actually looks pretty good. Eh? What? I mean, just putting them on. Now, I showed these to my mom, and she says that like that they can fall off in public, and that I'll lose them. But I'm like, that's true. So I feel like there will. I'm gonna I don't know. I'm not making sense. I am going to buy the thing, the grip, if there is. I don't know what I'm talking on about. But I'm going to give a sound test. Go. I'm going to go get my AirPod, stop the camera for like 1 minute, go get my other phone, which I'm going to do the sound test on. So I've actually got them off right now because they just fell. Put them there, and I'm going to restart the song and hopefully get these to play. Oh, this time it actually fits in my ear pretty good somehow. Oh, I was probably putting them on the wrong sides. Oh, that is loud. That is loud. Good job. I'm seeing if they work with both ears. They work with both ears really well, actually. I didn't want to tell you that I think that you're amazing. Congratulations to your cooperation. But you need a billion nation. Yeah, you did it very nice. And all it took was a massive corporate entity and only song on Bollywood. You're at #1. Hope you did nothing wrong like starting your business by selling pirated songs. Oops, didn't think we see it's right there on Wikipedia. Your past and help us and if I made it. And there's nothing that you're doing that's illegal. Don't you know you haven't had collusions with the mafia for legal reasons? That's a job for legal. One thing actually, this has actually gone to really bad P quality, so into the best. Yeah, look, 720p when we could have had 1080p and this is 720p. Congratulations to the celebration. Now, yo, I'm a bit rusty in this song as well, so if I put this on full volume, I mean, you guys can probably hear it, and it's not even on, it's on my ear only. This is really loud. I just keep singing random stuff, guys. But I'm gonna leave that on, so like I can hear it from here, and it's not even on my ear. Let's see if I can hear it from outside the room. I can, if you guys can hear that, I don't know. I can still hear it. There's the room. Yo, I can hear it, Rob. To hold my dedication. Alright, so I actually think, like, I haven't actually had the proper AirPods, but, like, what I'm expecting out of this was way less. I would expect, like, it really low. It'd be like, hello, hey. This is actually really loud and actually really, really good. And if you want to save, like, a load of money, what, like I did, these are, like, I'm not going to say they're bad, but they're, like, out of 10 stars. They're probably, for me, 8 stars, and the AirPods would be, like, 9.5. But, like, I haven't actually tried the AirPods. This could be the same as the AirPods. But, like, I would say the design and stuff, like, here, the design they've made is probably a bit bad. So, actually, this is alright with the design, but I just don't like how it looks and how I look in these. That's the reason I've actually cut off, like, 2 stars away from this is because, like, I've cut off 1.5 stars straight away because I don't look, like, good, like, yo, man. And another 5 stars because it falls. Like, there we have it. Airpods would probably stay in your thing and they would make you look good, so that'd be 10 or 9, but 5. I don't know, but I would say they're actually really, really good. They could be the same as the AirPods. They're really good. And if I had to get them as a gift, I would get them white. So look, it's different, and like I'd give it to someone. And they might not even realise they're fake AirPods unless the box might give it away. Because, I mean, the box is the thing that is giving it away at the moment, that they're fake and it's red. That's the only thing that at the moment is giving it away. I'd say, but I just kind of like them. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and hope you guys, no defamation, no, seriously, no defamation. Alright, anyways, so please subscribe, like if you're new, give my AirPods for a minute, and also, AirPods review again. They feel like a toy. They actually feel like a toy. They look like a toy as well, that's the thing. I mean, bro, but like, this is really good. If they didn't keep falling off. Maybe proper AirPods then. And if they were white and proper AirPods, I can actually sell these for like, oh, yo, bro, I'm not even touching my phone. I just touched my phone because I'm going to tell you why. I was just messing around with these AirPods. Does someone have one of these? Oh, I don't know. I just went on a call with my dad. What? Oh my god. I keep throwing these around. So they just went on a call with my dad, so I had to end the call, that's why I touched it. But I don't get it. Just look at the phone. Maybe if I touch this or something. Yo, did you guys see that? Oh, okay. This is a button. Oh, okay. That button right there. That's a connecting button and the pause button, I'm guessing. Just hit a party. There's a 9-year-old army. Yo, that's actually sick. So, I want to put these back in the box, and I've probably made this video really long, so you guys didn't want to watch it maybe, but please, this is how I do my unboxing. And yo, okay, wait, I'll play this.